Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw the new Roblox logo. I am using the software Adobe Animate. You can download this on YouTube for free. I am going to make this logo into 3D. First we need to select the line tool, or you can press N on your keyboard. Change the stroke to number 2. Now with your left mouse make a line here and make another one here and another one here and one here. Now we are going to make the same inside. Now we are going to color it. Select the paint bucket tool, also click on this here and then click on this to select the color. Click on linear gradient. Here you can select two colors at the same time. We are going to make this black and white. You can also change the colors. Just double click on this one and here you can choose any color you want. We are going to keep it black and white. Now with your left mouse you can fill it with color. To make it into 3D, first you need to get rid of those lines. So we are going to select all those lines and delete them. To delete them faster, you can hold Ctrl on your keyboard and double click any line here. It will select all those lines and then press delete on your keyboard. The same here. Hold Ctrl and double click and delete. Now to make it into 3D, you need to add extra lines. We are going to select the line tool again. We will make something like this and we have to fill it with color. We select the paint bucket tool and here too, and we chose this color and we fill it. Now we have to delete those lines. I think I will make it more brighter. So we need to select this one like this. With your left mouse you can adjust it. Now it looks more like 3D. You can also add extra lines here to make it more 3D. So something like this. Zoom out, fill it with color and delete the line, and here you have it. It looks more like 3D. You can play with it. I'm going to make another line here because here's too bright, and color it, delete the lines. We will make another one here. And here you have it, 3D Roblox logo. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.